Now that we discussed the basic characteristics of the cause and effect essays, we can move on to the next step, creating an outline for your paper. Creating an outline is a very important part of essay writing. Many students skip this step because creating a cause and effect paper outline takes time. On the other hand, you will save time on the writing process because you will follow an already developed plan. With a good outline, you will never miss out on important details and your essay will be logical and organized. There are two types of structures you can use to organize your essay. One is the block structure and the other is the chain structure. In the block organization, you first discuss all the causes as a block in 1, 2, 3 or more paragraphs depending on the number of causes, and then you can discuss all the effects together as a block. Have a look at this outline for an essay written in block structure on the causes and effects of bullying. After introducing the topic in the introduction paragraph, give explanation on the causes in the first and second body paragraphs. According to our example, we explain the reasons why kids bully. One cause is bullies' behavior is often explained by their desire to get noticed. And another cause is problems at home can provoke bullying. In a block structure, a transition paragraph often separates one main section from another main section. This short paragraph's purpose is to conclude one section and introduce another one. Writing a transitional paragraph is optional. It might be helpful when you write a long and complex essay. In the next two body paragraphs, explain what are the effects of the event caused. Ergo, what are the effects of bullying? One effect in this paragraph will be bullying can result in poorer mental health, and another effect in the next paragraph is bullying lowers students' self-esteem, turning them into insecure adults. The other organizational pattern you can use when writing about causes and effects is chain organization. The name chain itself implies that each cause is followed immediately by the effect. Causes and effects are linked to each other in a chain. One event causes a second event, which in turn causes a third event, which in turn causes a fourth event, and so on. Each effect becomes the next cause, therefore forming a chain. Similarly to the block structure, introduce the topic in the introduction paragraph. In this structure, the topic sentence of the first body paragraph indicates the first cause of bullying. Some of the main causes of bullying are problems at home. Then we give a detailed explanation with examples about its effects. One of the long-term effects of bullying is self-destructive behavior. In the second body paragraph, we introduce the second cause of bullying. As I mentioned before, in the chain structure, each effect becomes the next cause. As in our example, self-destructive behavior often turns victims of bullying into bullies themselves. And then we give a detailed explanation about the effects of this event. Bullying can develop psychological post-trauma disorders. We follow the same structure in the third body paragraph. The last effect was about post-trauma disorder, so in the last paragraph, this will be the new cause, the reason. And the result of this event, this results in unfriendly home environments for children and may trigger another level of bullying. Organizing your paper and choosing the structure is up to you, unless you have some specific requirements. Usually the block structure is generally clearer, especially for shorter essays, while the chain structure is good for ensuring that all effects in a paper relate directly to given causes.